let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need.